Okay, guys, we're looking at the vSeeBox V6 Plus here. 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB ROM, 8K, Ultra HD smart media player. Now, this does have voice control and H.265 and OTA update, Android 14. You got the BT, Bluetooth 5.0. All right. You got new boxing and new packaging. This dude is thick. I like that. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, guys, real quick on this one. This is definitely different. Now, this is the instructions, the key features, and so forth. But it's all right there. You can see it. It's like most all of them. 5-volt, 2 amp power brick. As always, they come with an HDMI cable. When I use these, yeah, I use them. But I tell you, on my main stuff, a little bit better cords there. Remote control. This is the same one as the other V6, which is fine because after playing with it, I really like it. It's not exactly the same because here's your microphone. It's the Google Assistant. Then you have your mouse key there. So it is different. Subtitles, home, audio, up and down, channel up and down. You have your menu, your back button, which is exit on the other one. But EPG and info, and then the rest are pretty much the same. Except for the text on the back of this one's really small compared to the other one. I tell you what, let's do this real quick. There, just so you can see what I'm talking about, guys. Now, this one is the V6 Plus. This one is the V6 Max. So what I'm showing you here is it's actually a lot different. It just looks, and it is a newer one. So I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, it's, as you can see, it's a lot different from there down to here. You got menu, this is your exit, but this gives you an idea of what it is, what it's doing. And remember and how big that one is. Now, a lot of people don't like this on there, but I think it's great to have it on there. It wears off after a while anyways, but yeah, this is the newer one for the Plus. So this is the box. This is actually a nice box. It looks good. Let's take this off. Oh yeah. Okay, they put it up on top here too, so let's go and get that off there. I know. I like that sound. Okay, guys, as you can see, it is the V6 Plus, 8K ultra high definition. The box is different. But yeah, it looks like it has a little emblem there for on and off. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom. Take a look at the bottom. There are vent holes here that looks like it goes out that way. But this one here is a little bit different. It does take off the sides again, which thank you. Okay, and on the back here, you do have your USBs on the back now. So it's USB 2, USB 3. You have your optical in. You have your HDMI, your SD card here, your Ethernet port, your reset, and your DC in. But yeah, I kind of like this. It's a different look. I like it. Okay, feels good. Nothing feels loose or shaky. Guys, I like this one so far. It does have the little rubber standoffs, so that helps. Okay, let's go ahead and get this dude hooked up and see what we come up with. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and go through this now. We looking at English. Let's see, Zoom is good on this. So we're gonna go ahead and go next. Where you want to live? Let's go to Hawaii. You got to agree to this. It's saying that the box is, you know, not loaded, and we're going to go and go through all this. It only does it the one time. It's going to go ahead and set everything up. Okay, configuration is complete. This is what you're going to see when you open up vSeeBox. This is not a bad layout. I think it's kind of cool. It does have some extra stuff. You got YouTube. Okay, you have the Google Play Store, YouTube Music, which I find YouTube Music, I'm really actually starting to really like it a lot more. Anyways, Netflix, and then you have remote setup. Then you have a file browser, your Google Play games, your Google Play movies and TV, your Google Chrome, VLC player, a Prime Video, and Disney Plus. These up here, the Disney Plus, the Prime Video, your Netflix, those are paid subscriptions through those particular brands. And as this being a YouTube, I'm going to mention it now because I get a lot of people that can't grasp what I say in the video, or they skip through the video, or it's just I get a lot of questions on this. Okay, this is a YouTube friendly video. We will be discussing the box and its operations, what's new and so forth, bench testing, to give you the idea of the box. If you don't care about the box, if you don't care about the hardware and so forth, you only want to see that, I'll have a link in the description for my website to where you can go look at the other stuff. Let's go and start with the settings. And here you go. Network is connected. You want to go to your apps, your device preferences. We're going to go ahead and go into there real quick. You got about. Device name is already there. You do a factory reset only if you have to. Network, serial numbers and so forth, model numbers, the VC Plus, the firmware, Android TV operating system, version 14. Android TV security patch, everything's good. March 5th, 2025. Storage. Let's go ahead and look at the storage real quick. Looks like internal storage is 62 or 64. It has 59 available right now. Device RAM is 4 gig. If you want to free up some storage, you just hit that, dude. But I'll show you a different way to do that. Okay, you got Google Assistant, shut off timer, screensaver, location, that's up to you. Usage and diagnostics. I go to here and make sure that is off. Reason being is it might mess with other apps you might be sideloading or something like that. Let's go down to extra settings. Now the system update, we've already checked that, but we're going to check it again. System firmware is up to date. Your HDMI CEC, which is a powerful function here where you can control things with this, allow the device to wake up and play on certain things, allows the device to control the volume and all that of your TV and audio equipment. So get to know that. That's kind of a nice thing to play around with. Here you can go to suspend, shut down, or restart on your power definition. That was good. Okay, launcher settings. Okay, and you can do the upgrade here. You got your hotkeys. Let's see, network and initial setup. You can run through that again if you need to. System information. And if you want to go here to the power, you can do it from here also. So power off, restart. Okay, memory cleanup I really like because it does a good job. Then you have Firefox here, internet speed test, and you can contact them from there. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in to YouTube. There we go. Let's try that one. It's 8K HDR. This ought to be something to play. Okay, 8K. Let's go ahead and get up here a minute. Settings. Go max is 2160. We're going to go down here for nerds. Okay, as you can see by the box up here, the frames have not dropped any in 744 so far. Current optical resolution is 3840 by 2160, 30 frames per second. We're still looking at zero dropped. You have the codecs, Opus 251, the VP9 313. Then you see connection speed. Yeah, it not bad. It says I'm located in Honolulu. I wish I was there right now. I mean, look at this, guys. It ain't struggling at all. I think the combination of hardware that they got and they keep improving. Okay, let's go ahead and scoot forward just a bit. We'll go right there. Let's see if, and no hesitation. Very cool. Very cool, guys. Yeah, be honest with you, I'm very impressed right now so far. And as you can see up at top right, there's a USB there I just stuck in. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at VLC and see how those things play. It's looking at the thumb drive. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the 8K 60 frames per second. And this is off a thumb drive, which is very nice. Very, it does play well. This is my Samsung thumb drive. I really like those. I've told you that. I put them in the description for you if you ever want them. Very nice. No hesitation, no nothing. There you go, guys. Let me go and get out of this. VLC is a really good player. It plays about every format there is. When you start it, it's going to come up with you want to, it sees movies on that drive. Do you want them to put it into the library? And it does. The other one I like a lot is Nova, which I think you'll know. Now that we've done that, now that we're ready to go, okay, so as far as it goes, playback, all of it works fantastic. I'm really kind of liking this box so far. Okay, let's go ahead and hit up. And remember, guys, Surfshark. I install it on every single thing I have. I'll put a video link in there for you for where you can get it and how much and why you should get it. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the benchmark scores. Now, I had already ran these because it takes so long to do it. So we're going to go ahead and we'll just pull it up. Now we have a single core score of 134 and a multi-core of 471. I was hoping to get at least 450. This is very good at 471. And let's find out a little bit more about it. Make sure it's running everything it says it is. Anyways, it is a V6 Plus. Device is a clap 4K. AM Logic hardware. Platform S7. We got a 4 GB RAM. We are running 4 core. Okay, CPU is a 4x ARM Cortex 855 at 1704 megahertz. 64-bit, 32-bit mode. You're looking at 4 cores. You got a screen resolution of 4096 by 2160. That's kind of badass. And then you're running the GPU vendor of ARM, the Mali G31, landscape mode. It is Android version 14, upside down cake. I was correct about that. The API level 34, security patch 3525. Yeah, it's looking good, guys. Looking good. So now we know everything on it is humping along just like it's supposed to. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and we're going to switch over to the full video. It's going to be, there's a link in the description. There's a link in comments on the top of the comments. And it'll show you where you need to go to watch the rest of the video that will tell you the rest of the story. Hey guys, real quick, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. We're getting there. You guys are helping a bunch. It's kind of what helps me do things I do about giveaways and box giveaways and that kind of thing. So make sure you are subscribed and please like this video. It really helps out the channel, and do this for all your people that you watch, all your YouTubers. They would appreciate it too. About the box itself, guys, I am going to say this is a go. We went through it. It is malware free. We tested all hardware in the box. And again, there is no malware. That is not saying that you're not going to get malware from other vendors. of the same box. So please use the links in description. We get you a discount code also. So if you're on Amazon, there's a ton of people that sell on Amazon that you think, oh, because it's Amazon, it's safe. It is not always that way because there's a lot of people that get these boxes, clone them, and sell them on all the different platforms. Just go to the vSeeBox website I have in the description, and I'm sure you're going to be all right. Just be careful of what you add in afterwards. Okay, guys, go ahead and click on over to the full video so you can watch the rest of it, and I appreciate you being here. Thank you again, guys.